living life. What does it mean to you? To me, it is all about finding peace with yourself. It's about finding your path in life and realizing that it is okay to fail. As every failure in life will shape you, will mold your soul and bend your mind. Every failure will grow you and show you a new path that you might have been blind to. Every failure will force you to look at life in a new light, as it will guide you to freedom from this entrapped world. To unlock your full potential, you need to embrace whatever life throws at you. Don't go down and stay down with the excuse that it is hard. Life is hard, live with it. You need to shift the parameters of your mind to be boundless in a society driven by greed, a society built on materialistic ideals. What will set you apart is the drive you have for your passion. If you have a passion for something in life, make it your absolute mission to drive it. Never stop believing in yourself. Never lose focus of what you want to reach. In the end, it is not about surviving the storm, but rather learning how to make a fire. Learn how to make the best with what you have. Forget about glass half full and outside the box. Drink the water, and what if there is no box to even start with? Ultimately, the onus lies within yourself. You need to open your eyes and let the true colors of this amazing world show your soul the way. You need to dive deep within your mind and make the switch from just being a number to truly becoming who you really are. Live a free life, live a happy life, and most of all, make every moment count. If you stand still and listen to the story of the world, taking in and savoring every moment, every experience and every scene, in a moment of time that is not bound by the laws of physics, where you will get lost between waterfalls and mountaintops, chasing dragons and dinosaurs as seconds turn to hours and life finds a new meaning. The time has come. Embrace the next chapter. Explore the possibilities of ever-flowing adventure. As you free yourself from this chaotic world, follow your passion and listen to your heart. For when you stand among the giants, when you see the dramatic landscapes, and when your heart beats to the African sound, in that moment you will free your soul, and if you open yourself, you might just find a little piece of your lost self.